Hey guys, welcome to episode 5 of our Build in Public series, where we are building a junk removal lead generation website and generating leads for local businesses. Today I'm going to go over my homepage structure, some on-page SEO stuff, H1 heading, and the title tag. So without further ado, let's get started. So in this episode, I'm mainly going to talk about the work I've done on my homepage. It really hasn't been much, but I'm going to talk about my H1, how do I structure that, my title tag, and then some more on-page SEO components. So we'll go back to my homepage. So this is the website that I'm working on. It's called Ultra Junk Removal, and it's a lead generation website. So we are targeting a specific city in our local area. So the city is Yuba City Junk Removal. This is my H1, so you guys can see it here. But my H1 is junk removal in Yuba City. So after doing some keyword research, the bottom of the funnel keyword or keyword phrase that people use is junk removal in Yuba City or Yuba City junk removal. It's different variations of it. I like to use this one just because it seems natural and not forced. And then underneath it, I just wanted a quick paragraph to add topical relevance and then also insert our keyword in a different variation. So junk removal services in Yuba City as well. I wanted to add this section here for conversion CRO optimizations. So customers or users can just quickly scan information. Next up, I created this our junk removal services. Again, I still need to build this out a bit more, but the idea here is to list out all the different services that we provide, or what I've seen other junk removal websites do is like they list like junk hauling, debris clean out, sofa pickup, and just different items. So I'm going to be building this out a little bit more. All of these links currently go to my contact page, but once I start creating this out more, I'll link to the proper services. But I just want to be wary of all the links that I'm pointing to from my homepage because our home has the most authority. So we just want to make sure we're using that authority properly. Next step is I created this our service area. So just basically let users know what's our service area. This was all AI generated. Like I said, people are not going to go on this site just yet. It's going to take Google a little bit of time to index, start ranking it. So it gives me a little time to go back, reread the content, iterate on it, improve on it. So that's my plan here. I'd rather just ship things out quickly, get feedback from Google, go on here, reiterate, and then just keep on improving the content. So improving the content is one of the best things that you can do for your website. So that's the ideal methodology that I'm using here. I also included this cities we serve area. So especially for service area based businesses, you want to create service area pages. So I'm going to be creating a page for these cities right here, which is basically going to be so service area and then junk removal, Marysville, California. So these are the slug that I'm going to be using and pages that are going to build out to target different service areas and rank for those as well. And then just a quick, this is more CRO focused, a quick process to like, hey, so this is how it works. Get a free estimate, schedule trash removal, happy customers. I'm going to be installing Hotjar so I can see how people interact with the website, what's working, what I need to change. So that's going to be the idea later on the road. And then I also curated this area right here. So I want to just answer frequently asked questions that customers use. This is general so far, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to double down and do research on the SERP pages. So for example, somebody types in Yuba City junk removal. We have these people also ask questions. So I'm going to do my research figure out what are these questions and then localize it to Yuba City. The more granular we can get and more descriptive we could get in our area, the better. So I'm going to create content on that. And then finally, a CTA section. This is just to collect lead forms and a call to action. Later on, I'm also going to be optimizing the footer and then the header as well. I currently hired an Upwork freelancer to create a logo, so that's in the works. But yeah, that's an update so far. And just a little bit more for my title tag. I use junk removal in Yuba City, California. Added a few other additional keywords, trash hauling, and debris removal. And that's basically it for this episode. Those are my initial content for this page. And like I said, we're going to be reiterating on stuff. SEO is not like a one-time thing. You got to continue improving it. That's what we're going on right now. Next episode, I'll talk about my Google Search Console analytics and then a few other things. But that's it for now. Let me know if you guys have any other questions or if you guys have any other on-page SEO questions. I went over this pretty quickly, but let me know if you guys have any other questions or if you guys would like me to dive deeper into some of this on-page SEO stuff.